Hello, today we will guide you through how to embed a YouTube video in a Gmail email. In a few minutes, you'll learn the simplest, most reliable way to place a YouTube video inside an email so it appears with a clean, clickable preview. This keeps your message tidy and makes it easy for your recipient to watch. First, open the YouTube video you want to include. Use any web browser and navigate to the exact video. Confirm you're looking at the correct clip and that it's publicly viewable. You don't need to start playback, just have the video page open. Under the video, find the share button. It usually sits beneath the title and next to the like controls. Click Share to open the sharing panel. In this panel, YouTube provides a short link designed for easy sharing. If you see an option to choose a start time and you want the video to begin at a specific point, set that here so the link reflects your preference. Click Copy in the Share panel. That places the YouTube link on your clipboard ready to paste. The short link format is perfect for emails and helps Gmail recognize it. Now switch to Gmail in your browser and click Compose to start a new message. A small Compose window opens, typically in the lower right corner of the screen. You can address the email and write your message as you normally do, but for the video itself, click into the message body where you want the preview to appear. Paste the link you just copied. Give it a moment. In most cases, Gmail detects the YouTube URL and automatically generates a rich preview with the video's thumbnail and title. That preview is what most people mean by embedding in Gmail. It keeps the email lightweight while providing a clear, attractive entry point to the video. If a thumbnail preview doesn't appear, that's okay. The link will still work. Your recipient can click it to open the video on YouTube. For the cleanest layout, keep the link on its own line and add any explanation or call-out text above or below it. A quick expectation note: Gmail does not play YouTube videos entirely inside the email. Clicking the preview opens YouTube in a browser or app. That behavior is normal and ensures consistent playback across devices. You're done. You opened the video, used Share to copy the link, composed your message, and pasted the link so Gmail could build a neat preview.